How to fix buffering on Prime Video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if your Prime Video application keeps buffering. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to fix the buffering issue, it's very simple. All you have to do is first of all make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Amazon Prime app to the latest version. If you've been having the buffering issue, the most primary reason is due to your internet connection. So just check whether or not your internet connection is working just fine. Even if your internet connection is fine and if you're having other issues, then there are also a couple of things which you can do from within the application in order to help solve this problem. So just go ahead and open up the Prime Video application on your device. Once you open up Prime, just tap on the profile icon which you see on the top right, and again you have to tap on this little gear icon. As you tap on the gear icon, go to the option that says stream and download. As you tap on stream and download over here, what you want to do, you just want to go to the option called streaming quality, which is at the very top, and currently you can say it is set to best, so which means that the Prime Video is going to use the best quality possible. And you can also say use highest quality on Wi-Fi. You just want to turn this thing off, and instead I would recommend you to simply lower the resolution and the pixels in order for you to have a smoother experience and not buffering if you have a slow internet connection. I would only recommend you to actually turn on this highest quality and best if you have a very decent Wi-Fi, but if you don't, then I would just recommend you to settle with better or good, or sometimes even data saver if it's just too slow. If you want to change the download quality, well, obviously you can do that as well. You can actually set it to always as or data saver, good, better, or best. If you have enough storage though, I would recommend you to always watch in the best, because obviously you want to have the best experience possible. And basically this is it. This is how you can fix buffering. Hopefully this video helped you, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.